Well, here's my little bitty banana plantation. It only holds 2 bananas, but they are doing pretty good. So these are Cuban red bananas. I got these on Amazon. First time I ever bought any plants on Amazon. Turned out pretty good. So I got a pair. There's one here, and there's another one over here. And you see this? They're looking pretty good. So these are a good week or so, couple weeks, and they have been converted over to this system. So they were a soil plant. Now they're hydroponic, and they have done pretty well. Got some good root growing over here already, so it looks good. So this system's pretty simple. Nothing too complicated. That is the container that holds all the liquid and the all the good stuff, the fertilizer and whatnot is mixed in. So there's a sprayer, right? So I have this thing right here, this mist sprayer. It sprays up. See that? There we go. So it mists up, and it mists this system. And there. And that's how it gets its nutrients. And does that every 20 minutes for about a minute. And they grow. It's pretty simple. Not a whole lot. I built it all with scrap wood, so of course that's why it looks so fabulous. But anyway, just wanted to reuse what I had. So you got a simple timer for the lights over there. There's some simple shop lights. Now, granted, it's pretty tall, but the banana plants will get larger. So in the middle there's some PVC kind of set that will eventually be like the base that will hold that plant in there, because they will get large at some point. And there goes, it's kicking off now. And they will probably get taller. So I've set this thing up to eventually, get to a tall height. And you're wondering, like, why the heck are you doing this? Well, I live in Texas, and even though it's warm here and it's great weather, it's not really conducive for growing bananas, at least where I live, because it gets cold and it freezes, and every banana I've had out here has died in the back due to the cold weather. So I have never in my life ever had a fresh banana off of a banana plant. So this is my attempt to eventually taste it. As I've heard, it's amazing. I really like red bananas too. I like the way they taste. So that's why I'm growing it indoors, and that's why I'm growing it in this system here with a water base. So just you're curious to see how this thing goes. It should go well. I'll show you something that I have here. It's in my garage. And this is where I get the inspiration to do this. Is I have basically a whole wall, a garden wall, of plants that are growing exactly the same way as that other system over there. So that's where I get the inspiration. I have actually grown a banana plant in a similar system, and it did grow pretty well. But it just got too big and it didn't work out. But anyway, that's the plan. So eventually, we'll have some big old banana plants over there, I hope, one day. So anyway, just got it built and just wanted to show you. So if you were curious how these things do, then I'd love it if you just subscribe, and if you got any comments or suggestions, I'm so open to that. All right, y'all take care. I wish you the best. See you around.